Real Madrid fans, let's talk about the current situation going on in our club right now. The latest update now is that Barcelona is interested to sign Rodrygo from Real Madrid. Like, as per waiting, our biggest rival coming to ask our hand in Rodrygo. Like, it does not make sense now. How can our biggest rival now to come and buy a player from us? Like, if what that interview that Lamine Yamal do, he said in his life, the only club he can never play for in his life is Real Madrid. It's better for him to retire from football instead of him playing for Real Madrid. That was Lamine Yamal said that time when they interviewed him. And now people now to come and buy our own player. It's impossible now. Things cannot just work like that. So in the other hand, is that Real Madrid rejected 350 million euros from Saudi club. That they don't want to allow Vinicius Junior to go. That they want to keep Vinicius Junior. As per waiting, this is the best time for us to cash out on Vinicius Junior. We need to cash out on him. Because us keeping him in our team is causing confusion there for us. He said he want us to increase his salary and be paying him the same salary with Mbappe. And you know Papa Perez will never do that thing. So now this is the best option for you to allow the boys to leave the club. Let us cash out big on him. Then you say no, he did 350 million euros that you know you're not allowing him to go. If you actually want this system to work next season, you need to allow one of these big players to leave the team. That is what people don't know. You need to allow these big players to leave the team. One of them. Because it's them that is causing confusion in that team. It's them. Mbappe and Vinicius, they are the problem in that team. So, I think about Perez, the best option for you to just allow Vinicius to go, please. Go and miss out. Tell them, say, okay, you have agreed, may they come carry him. May he go. Because we don't need them again. We don't need them. So, in the other side, is that most of our players have now renewed their contract today in the life of Thibaut Courtois, in the life of Asensio, in the life of Ibrahim Diaz. So they have not renewed their contract today to 2027 to 2 years. Okay, Asensio is 2031, then Luis Diaz 2027, Thibaut Courtois 2027 also. So I think it's a good news for Real Madrid fans. But the one that I'm not happy about is that Rodrygo to Barcelona. Like, I don't want anything like that to ever happen. A Madrid player going to play for Barcelona, I don't want that thing. Like, till I die in this life, I don't want that kind of thing. Because when they interviewed their player, what they said is that Lamine Yamal said he would never in his life play for Real Madrid. Even if it's the last club, it's better for him to retire, for him to play for Madrid. That was Lamine Yamal said, and now they want to come and sign our player. As per waiting, God forbid, we never allow that to happen. So Real Madrid, what do you guys think? Drop it in the comment section. Like this video, share, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Peace out.